Breaking news, breaking news. Lil Durk concert ends in early. Folks thought they heard gunfire. In case you guys don't know, the R&B crooner slash hip hop crooner slash rapper crooner, Chicagoan Lil Durk was in a concert and some fire shots rung out. People said there were no gunshots, but folks in them thought they heard the gunshots. That led them to leave the scene. And let's show the clip first before we read and tell you what exactly happened. Now, as you can see, people clearly are not going to take a chance in these skirmishes. They're saying that Durk was performing at the Celebrity Theater in Phoenix when a crowd of 10,000 heard gunfire erupt. The crowd scrambled as people fought to flee the venue. The Phoenix PD says they couldn't blah blah blah. Y'all can read it. Basically, shots were allegedly ringing out and rounds were hitting everybody. A woman was grazed in the leg was not true. People basically just want to be heard and seen. In case y'all don't know, people are riding all this 10,000 sold out, and you think it'll be a good night to see a great night, but instead folks want to cause a controversy, maybe get their Instagram. I don't know, who knows what it was, man, but Lil Durk apparently will not be able to conduct himself accordingly because he has a name that's following him. He has situation that's being brought up, and when you see stuff like that, folks in a concert getting shot, it's never a good look. Look, we hope Lil Durk stays safe out there. And another breaking news, the war on rappers. That's right, it's a war on rappers, where the media or fans, rappers gotta have a head on a swivel. Look, I'm your God Bless. I want to thank you for watching another episode of Ismokehiphop Live.